Hi everyone, so if you're seeing this video, this is the instructions for creating and uploading your PNM welcome video on a Mac. So I'm going to start by going to, nope, not that. I'm going to start by going to iMovie, and iMovie is a free app. If you have a Mac, you can download it from the Apple Store, or App Store, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to go to this button that says Import Media. And once I click that, it's going to open up these options. You're going to want to go to FaceTime HD camera. So hi, this is me. And then you're going to record. So just some kind of like background. I'm sitting in my bedroom at home. This is just my like door behind me. It's the plainest background I have. There's a window open in front of me for natural light, and that's about it. Nothing fancy. So, oh, and I'm just wearing this like Iowa t-shirt and my name tag, so I guess you guys know who I am. All right, you guys are gonna have to watch me record. So I guess here's what I would say if I was going through recruitment this year. Hi, my name is Maddee Whitehead, and I am an incoming senior this year. I'm majoring in psychology, and I have plans to become a professional sorority girl when I grow up, so stay tuned to see how that works out for me. The first question I have decided to answer is, what is something you are passionate about? I am very passionate about advocating for people with different abilities. So back in high school, I was the chapter president of our Best Buddies Club, which paired students with different abilities with a student in the general education track, and I just loved watching those friendships flourish. So I could talk about that for hours, but the other thing that I want to address is why I decided to go through recruitment. I wasn't necessarily sure that it was for me, and then I just heard so many great things about the leadership opportunities and the personal development that someone could go through in a chapter, and I also really liked the idea of having fun events and like getting dressed up with my friends. So I'm really excited to meet all of you. Thank you. Okay, so as you guys can see, we finished that. We're gonna hit close, and mine was pretty much exactly 1 minute. Go me. Actually, I think it was a minute and 3 seconds, sorry. Okay, so we dragged it in here, we're good to go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to this projects button, and we're gonna name it. So I'm gonna say Maddee Whitehead PNM video. Okay, so now that's saved here. Oh, that's a funny screen. I'm gonna go to this little button with 3 dots. I'm gonna go share project, YouTube. So my YouTube account is completely free. It's not like I pay for it or anything. It's just through my email account, and I'm not going to change the title or anything here. And then you want to make sure that your privacy setting is set to unlisted so that only people who have the link can watch it, but you can't just like Google it and find it. So then I'm going to hit next. I'm going to agree to the terms and hit publish. So now you'll see this little circle up here in the upper right hand corner is going to show you your progress. So we haven't gotten super far yet, but there she goes. As it's uploading, I just wanted to mention, so these videos you will upload to YouTube, and then you will copy the link and paste it into your campus director profile. Your campus director profile should have a field called video link, and you'll just go ahead and paste it in there. And it needs to be finalized by September 1st. Okay, so I just got this pop-up message that says that the sharing was successful, so I'm going to hit visit. So it says we're still processing this video, sometimes it takes a while. Okay, so make sure it says unlisted. I just have my name, and I am going to hit this share button. I know it's still processing, but it'll finish on its own pretty soon. I'm going to copy it, and then I would open up Campus Director. So I don't have a Campus Director PNM profile, obviously, so I can't really show you guys that portion, but what you're going to do is you're going to log into your Campus Director profile, and then you can find your form, and then there should be a field called video link where you can paste the link to your video that you just created, and then just go ahead and make sure all those changes are saved, and you will be good to go. So these videos need to be uploaded by September 1st at noon. If you decide you would like to re-record your video, that's fine. Just follow these steps again and make sure your video link is up to date and saved in your profile. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email is gc-phc-recruitment@uiowa.edu. Thanks, guys. Best of luck.